The heck? What are you doing?
Well, I'm just cleaning the grates.
With that? That's like a toothbrush.
Well, I don't know what else I'm supposed to be using.
Look, this is an electric grill brush. You could use this. Look at this. This is way bigger and it's way faster.
Wait, let me see. How does that work?
Here, let me show you. So, look, you could turn it on right here. You've got the off and on button. You've got your modes, so you could go low, medium, and high. And also, this is adjustable. So if you want to make it 90 degrees, it's just going to bend down like that. So let's go ahead and use it. I'll show you. You're just going to put it like this. I've got it on the high mode. You put it over the grate, and look, way easier. Yep, way better than the little toothbrush that you got. And it also comes with some other attachments too. Give me that bag right there.
What, this one?
Yep. Look at this. It also is gonna come with this scoring pad, so you can actually use this after the brush. It's gonna get all that little dust and dirt off. Plus, it even has a polishing attachment, so you can actually use this on here, so it'll get polished up and it'll look brand new. And also, the battery on this lasts super long, so you don't really have to recharge it that often, but it's just USB-C, so you can just plug it into the wall and recharge it. Nice and easy. This bristle brush will actually pop off. All you gotta do is pull this, then you can replace it with this polishing pad attachment like this. It's just gonna slide on. You press it on, and then now you could use this. You could also hang it up. It's got a little hook right here, so you could put it right next to your barbecue grill, making it super easy. And honestly, you could use this all around the house on other things too. Doesn't necessarily need to be on the barbecue grill. These are basically just metal bristles, so you could use this again all around the house for cleaning anything that's heavy duty. And when you want to charge it, they actually provide you with the cable too. So it's got a USB-C on one side and a regular USB on the other side. You just plug it in just right there, but you could really just use any USB Type-C cable, so it doesn't really matter. And another thing that I really like about it is it actually has this safety guard right here, so when you're grilling on, or when you're cleaning your grill, you can put this attachment right here so that nothing flings onto your face or any dirt gets onto you, anything like that. It also moves around in all different angles, so it's not gonna get in your way, especially if you need to grill or push down in a certain direction. You can go ahead and change the angle of this to however you want. Watch, here, give it a try. I bet you'll like it way better. Give me this.
We'll hold that.
Yeah, give it a try.
Man, this feels nice.
See? Oh, yeah. And then you could just move this so it doesn't get into your face.
Okay.
Just like that.
Yeah. Super easy.
Yep. Yeah, you don't need this stupid little toothbrush anymore.
Well, I guess I probably won't if I'm using this, huh?